First of all, the Amsterdam Drone Week is hosted by the City of Amsterdam, so it's a great place to be for the fourth year, working together closely and exploring and innovating on this topic. And I think especially for the WEF, the charter itself, it means that we're collaborating with other regions, not on a national level, not on a European level only, but also on a national level. So it's becoming a global form of communicating, collaborating, but also sharing knowledge we have. And I think the great on this initiative is that we're also agreed with each other at the first 6 or 7 cities and regions, as Massachusetts says. Don't make it into a Wild West show, just start working together, sharing your knowledge, but also doing stuff. So I think it's great that we're collaborating with other cities now and regions such as the Massachusetts. And I think it's great that we can learn from them and translate it to local policies instead of inventing it by our own.